Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name is Elena. In today's video we are going to be doing a 15-minute makeup routine, which I'm really excited about. I know a lot of you guys are always in a hurry in the morning and you want to look glam still and have a little bit of makeup on when you're going to work or going to school. So I figured a 15-minute makeup would be perfect for you guys, especially going into 2020. We want to be on top of things, we want to look presentable. So I wanted to do something that was just quick and easy for you guys to do and get out of the door but still look really cute. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video. And let's go ahead and get right into this 15-minute makeup routine. Okay, so the first thing I like to do when I'm doing a quick makeup is my brows. Brows just frame the face and sometimes they can be taking a long time, but I've mastered a quick brow and still look like I spent a lot of time on them. So the first thing I go in with is the Arches and Halos Micro Defining Brow Pencil. This is in the shade Dark Brown. So I really like to use this to carve underneath my brows and help create the outline of the shape of the brow that I want. So I just go in with this and I'll just go ahead and start creating that shape. Then this is going to be the biggest thing about doing a quick brow, and this is the Gimme Brow by Benefit. This is in the shade 5. This is honestly a game changer. If you have not used this product and you want quick and fast brows, I highly suggest you pick this product up. It is so easy, so quick, and I just like to run this all the way through my brows. So I just go ahead and take that brush and I just run that product all throughout my brow. Anywhere that there's hair, I'm brushing this product through. And if you have nice brows, you honestly don't even have to go in with the pencil. You could just go straight in with this and be done with brows. But I'm someone who likes to have more of a structured brow, so I honestly like to use the pencil and this in combination just so I can get that really sleek brow that I like. So I just like to go back in with that pencil and kind of, you know, sharpen out where the arch of the brow is and bring this down. And you see, that was just literally so quick and easy. Boom, that's it. Okay, so that is the brow. So I'm gonna go ahead and carve it out really quickly, do the other brow, and then I'll be back on camera so we can go ahead and start the base makeup. Okay, so I went ahead and carved my brows out and I threw on a moisturizer because normally I always start with a moisturizer when I do my makeup. So now we're gonna go ahead and jump right into primer. So this is a 15-minute makeup. We want this to last all day. We want it to slay. We don't want it to look cracky. We don't want none of that junk. So y'all know my tried and true, I'm using the Milk Grip Primer. This is just a good primer. It's hydrating. It makes my makeup last all day, and I just swear by this product. So I honestly like to use products that I know are just going to work for my skin and that I know is going to give me the longevity that I would like, especially when I'm wearing this on a day-to-day basis. And let that sit and get tacky so we can apply our foundation. Okay, so now we're going to move on to foundation. So I honestly still like using a foundation on an everyday basis. I know some people like to use concealer or BB creams, but I still like to have the full coverageness of foundation. So I'm going to go in with the Anastasia Luminous foundation. I like to have more of a dewier look on an everyday, so I look more lively, have a little bit more shine to my face and stuff like that. So I'm going to go in with this, and this is in the shade 440C if you are one of my shade twins. And I'm just going to go ahead and blend that out. And I just find this foundation, it does last me all day. You guys know I did a review on this foundation. I really did enjoy this foundation so much. I think it is honestly a really good everyday foundation. It lasts all day long and it just looks beautiful after its wear throughout the day as well. So I love that too. Okay, just like that. And as you can see, it still has that luminous dewiness to the foundation, which I love. So now I'm going to be going in with concealer, and I'm going to be using the Jouer High Coverage Concealer. This is in the shade Rich Ginger. I honestly like to use this because it is very full coverage and it's just a smidge bit lighter than my Pretty Fresh Concealer by Colourpop. So this is going to give me more of a highlighted look, and I like that because it makes you look more awake and alive in the mornings. So I really like to wear this on a day-to-day basis. So I'm just going to go ahead and apply that. Right here. And it's really full coverage. And then don't forget to apply a little bit on your lids, because this is going to be our base, because we're not going to apply any eyeshadow, but we don't want our lids to look very empty. So I'm going to apply some up there so we can blend that out. Get our chin and our nose. And I'm going to go ahead and blend that out. And as you can see, it just gives you that really highlighted look underneath the eyes. It makes you look instantly so awake, which I really love. And it is just so flawless. I love this concealer as well. Honestly, I change out all these steps all the time. You just have to figure out what works for you and your skin and what you can do that is quick within the 15 minutes. Blend out that chin and do the nose. Okay, so now that we have the concealer blended all the way out, I'm going to go in with a loose setting powder, and I'm going to be using the one from Hourglass. When I'm doing a quick makeup, I don't prefer to bake just because it's not quick or easy, and I don't have time for it to sit and marinate into my skin. So I like to take some of the product, take a little taper brush, and I just tap into the product, and I just go in and I just set and push the product into my face. And this is just a quick way to just get everything set and everything very flawless. I also set my eyes because, like I said, we're not going to be applying any eyeshadow, but we do want this to look very flawless up here because it's going to make us look more awake and not have any darkness up there. So I'm just going to set anywhere that I put concealer. So I'm just going to set my nose, my chin, and then I'm going to set right here because I do crease because I smile a lot, obviously. So I'm going to set right here as well. So after I do that, I take a big fluffy brush. Like I said, I take what's left and I just set the rest of my face very quickly, just so when I apply any other products, it just goes on smoothly. Okay, so now we're going to bring some color back into the face, and I feel like this is very important, especially when you're doing an everyday makeup. You want to look alive, you want to look like you had a lot of rest, so bringing color back in the face definitely does that. So I'm going to go in with Caramel Cutie from Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to use this as a bronzer to help bronze up and add some color back into the face. So I'm going to go in with this bronzer, and I'm just going to apply that right here on my cheeks, down here, and as you can see, that just instantly brings some color to the face. And you kind of just do this messily. It doesn't have to be perfect, it doesn't have to be precise. We're in a hurry, so we're definitely not trying to be sitting here doing this all day. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with blush, and I'm going to go in with the MAC Pinch Me blush. This is a matte blush. It has more of a mauve undertone, which I really like, and I'm going to apply this on the cheeks. And I honestly like to add quite a little bit of blush just because I feel like it definitely makes you look really alive and stuff. I also like to add a little bit on my nose, just a little dab, and I just apply it right here on the apples and I work it back into that bronzer. Okay, so now we got some life coming back into the face. We are looking alive and well, but our eyes are looking kind of bare. So I'm gonna add some mascara. We're not gonna be putting on lashes. Like, what? Who am I? Y'all know. Girl, literally, I would honestly apply a pair of lashes to this look, but I know everybody does not have time to be applying a pair of lashes on a day-to-day basis. So we're going to take it down a notch and we're going to use some good mascara to give us that lash-like look. Even though, girl, my lashes are, oh, they're a little, but it's okay. We're going to apply some, so we have at least a little bit going on the eye. So I'm going to go in with the Benefit Bad Gal Mascara, and I'm going to apply this on my lashes. And I'm just going to coat my lashes. I'm going to apply some on this side. So I'm just coating my lashes and making sure they look really nice because we're not applying any falsies. Okay, so we have our lashes coated. Look at my little baby eyelashes, but they're cute. They're cute for every day. This is something simple. This is something just quick and easy. And I really like that mascara. I feel like they did a really nice job coating my lashes. And it looks really, really good. So now we need a little bit of highlights to give us a little zam, give us a little boom, boom, bam to our face so we can look a little live. I'm going to go in with the Fenty Beauty Hustler Baby, which is one of my faves. And I'm just going to apply this on my cheeks and my nose and my Cupid's bow so we can get that highlighted look. So we're going to apply just a smidge right here on the cheeks, just like that. Not nothing too crazy. Add some on the nose. So if I have a little bit of time, I'll also take my highlighter and I'll just highlight right here and give it a little bit of boom. It opens up your eyes a little bit, makes it look more awake. And now you can see that kind of opened up the eyes a little bit. It gave it a little bit of something, but you didn't do much. So I kind of like doing that step to help open my eyes up and make me look more awake. Now for lips, I'm gonna go in with the Colourpop times Shayla, and this is in BFF4. This is like the one step you definitely have to like kind of slow down a little bit because you don't want your lips to be looking janky all day. So I definitely make sure I take my time when I do my lip liner. And then for lips, I personally like to wear a liquid lip on an everyday basis just because I think it just lasts longer and I don't have to touch it up as much as I would if I was wearing a lip gloss or a satin lip or something like that. So this one's just going to stay put. So I'm going to go in with the Joah Beauty What a Matte Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Pink Velvet. I personally like to use more of a mauve or a pinky shade on an everyday basis just because I feel like sometimes when you use a nude it can make you look a little muted and dead, but with a mauve or a pink, I honestly just feels like it makes you look so alive and awake, and I just think it's the perfect touch to an everyday makeup look. So I'm gonna go in with this shade and I'm gonna blend that in. And now you can just see how that instantly just makes me look so much more awake, and it just brings so much life to the lip. I just feel like this is such a really good color to wear on an everyday basis. Okay, so you guys might have thought we were done, but we have one more step we got to do to make sure our makeup lasts all day, and that is using a setting spray. You guys, if you do not use a setting spray, girl, it is a game changer. You got to set your makeup so it will last all day long and you don't have to worry about touching it up throughout the day. So I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. This is just one of the setting sprays I like to use. I also like to use the Morphe setting spray as well, but I have run out of that one and I need to go get a backup. So I'm gonna go in with the Urban Decay because I love this one as well. It's just really good, and I noticed that my makeup lasts all day when I use it. So I'm gonna shake that up. And another step you can do is press your setting spray into your face if you have time, so it definitely gets your makeup and lock it in. Okay, so this is the finished look from our 15-minute makeup. Girl, we are going to slay all day in this look. I just love this look. When I wear it, I just think it looks so effortless. It's just so pretty, but you look so alive and well, and I love that. It's such a quick and easy look that you can just achieve if you want to look a little bit put together and you want something going on with your makeup throughout the day. I just think it is perfect, just a perfect combination of colors and everything to just make you look like you tried when you really didn't. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what are some products that you like to use in your 15-minute makeup routine. I love to chat it up with you guys in the comments below. I love you guys so much. Thank you for all the love and support you show me in all my videos. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notifications so you can be notified every time I post a video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.